How to add a link in Twitter bio. If you want to add a link to your Twitter bio, follow these steps. Adding links to bio is a very simple and easy process. Just follow along. Firstly, navigate to the Twitter app or the X app and open it on your device. After opening this app, you will see your profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it. Then go to the option Profile. After your profile interface opens, it will look something like this. Right beside on the right section of your profile, you will see this option Edit Profile. Click on it to see additional settings. Here you will see your bio section. However, if you try to add a link to your bio, it won't show as a link. So to fix this issue, there's also an option called Website. Go to the website option and type in your link, or you can simply copy paste it. To save the changes, click on Save at the top right corner. In the preview, the link will appear right below the bio section. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.